Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is the part 2 of rotating around a circle, an object. So I've drawn 2 circles, and I've put this one in the center of the page by pressing P. I'm going to put this one in the center of the page by pressing P. I'm going to hold down the control button, and I'm going to move it so it'll be equally, and it says right there it's on a quadrant. I'm going to double click on it, and I'm going to move the rotation to the center of the other circle. Doesn't look like it's in the circle, but if you double check on it, click on it again, it is actually now in the center. Then go to Range, Transformation, Rotation. This time we're going to have 11 of these, and we're going to do 180 forward slash, which is divide by 11, and hit apply. It put those circles around half the circle. So you could do any configuration. You could do, let's say we want 6 this time, and we'll change this back to 0 for a second, and we'll go 90 divided by 6 and hit apply. And now it's put them around a quarter of the circle, 90%, 90 degrees. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.